Andre and Elena are each saving money. Andre starts with $100 in his saving account and adds $5 per week. Elena starts with $10 in her savings account and adds $20 each week. After 4 weeks, how much money is in their savings account? Explain how you know. Okay, you can also just show your work. That's enough for me to know that you know how to solve this. So I'm going to cut this in half. Here's going to be Andre's side. Here's going to be Elena's side. Okay, Andre's rule, he starts with 100. All right, I'm going to start with 100. Then I'm adding, oh my gosh, add $5 per week. What does per mean? Per means multiplication. 5W. That is his expression. All right, perfect. I don't know how much is in his bank account, so I'm not going to put an equal sign. I'm not going to set it equal to anything. Okay. Elena, she starts with $10. She adds 20 each week. What does each mean? It's going to happen over and over and over and over, so that means multiplication. 20W. Now, I need to figure out after 4 weeks. Well, I represented my weeks with a W, so now I'm going to change my W and substitute in 4. Okay? 100 plus 5 times 4. 10 plus 20 times 4. When I use my calculator, 100 plus 20, Andre has $120. 10 plus 20 times 4, 10 plus 80, Elena has $90. That's all I needed to do. After 4 weeks, they do not have the same amount. Okay? Part B wants to know how many weeks it will take for them to have the same amount. I want these numbers to match. Well, we know after 4, that's not enough. So you could just start plugging in numbers. Okay? Well, what if I pick 5? 100 plus 5 times 5. 10 plus 20 times 5. Well, this is going to get me 125. This is going to get me 110. Okay, I'm getting closer. Before I had a gap of 30, now I only have a gap of 15. Well, what if I try 6 weeks? $100 plus 30, 130. 100 plus 10 plus 120, 130. Those are equal. My number is 6 weeks. Okay? Another way to solve this, if you didn't just plug and chug and try things, because that could take forever, okay, we want the same amount. That means that the answers at the end, just like you see here, should be equal to each other. So I should be able to set my expressions from the beginning equal to each other. And now I can solve. Okay? To do that, I'm going to get a variable on one side, numbers on the other. Take away my 10, take away 10. I have 90 plus 5W equals 20W. Take away 5W, take away 5W. 90 equals 15W. I now need to divide by 15. And I get 6 equals W. So either way you did it, you should have gotten it takes them 6 weeks to save the same amount.